Do you think this jacket will wear away if I keep wearing it every day?
Well, over time, the fabric might start to wear down, especially if you don't take care of it.
Yeah, I've noticed some areas, like the elbows, are starting to look a bit worn.
That's pretty common, especially with jackets you wear a lot. Have you tried cleaning it properly?
I usually just toss it in the washing machine, but I'm not sure if that's the best way.
You should probably check the care label. Some fabrics need more delicate treatment to prevent wearing out quickly.
I never thought about that. I guess I'm not exactly great at taking care of my clothes.
It happens, but if you want your clothes to last, it's worth taking a little extra time to maintain them.
Do you think I should get it professionally cleaned instead?
That might be a good idea, especially if it's made of more delicate material or starting to show signs of wear.
I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't fall apart too soon. I really like this jacket.
I get it, it's one of your favorites, right? It suits you well, so it's worth preserving.
Yeah, I've had it for a few years now, and it's definitely my go-to for almost any occasion.
Well, if you take better care of it, I'm sure it'll last you even longer.
You're probably right. I'll try to be more careful from now on.
That's the spirit. A little effort goes a long way, especially with things you really love.
Thanks for the advice. I really didn't realize how much I was neglecting it.
No problem at all. If you need any help figuring out how to clean it properly, just let me know.
I'll definitely do that. I don't want this jacket to wear out any faster than it has to.
Exactly, it's all about keeping it in good shape for as long as possible.
Can I catch a ride with you to the event later?
Sure, I was planning to leave around 6 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that works perfectly. I just need to finish a few things before then.
No rush. Are you bringing anything to the event, by the way?
I thought about bringing a dessert. I heard they're having a potluck.
Oh, good idea. I was thinking of just grabbing something quick, like snacks or drinks.
Snacks are always a hit, plus, it's easier than cooking.
Exactly. I'm not much of a cook, so I'd rather keep it simple.
I feel you. I've had too many cooking disasters to trust myself with anything complicated.
Same here. Remember that one time I tried to bake cookies?
Oh my gosh, yes, you almost set off the fire alarm.
Yeah, that was embarrassing. Ever since then, I've stuck to store-bought treats.
Hey, no shame in that. Convenience is key.
Agreed. So, what's the dress code for this thing? I'm still not sure what to wear.
I think it's casual, but you might want to bring a jacket, it could get chilly later.
Good call. I always forget how cold it gets in the evening.
Same here, it's better to be prepared than freezing.
Definitely. Okay, I'll pick you up around 6 then.
Sounds great, thanks for giving me a ride, by the way. I really appreciate it.
Ah, this movie is so mushy.
Come on, it's a romance. What did you expect?
I didn't expect every single line to be so cheesy.
Well, some people enjoy a little sentimentality now and then.
I don't mind romance, but this is way over the top.
So, you're not a fan of grand gestures and dramatic confessions, huh?
Not when they feel forced and unrealistic like this.
I get that, but it's kind of the whole point of these kinds of movies.
I guess. I just prefer something a bit more subtle and natural.
Yeah, I can see that. You like stories that feel more grounded.
Exactly. Relationships are complicated, not all rainbows and love letters.
True, but maybe some people watch these to escape the complications.
Yeah, I get it. It's just not my kind of escape, you know?
Fair enough. So what would you rather watch?
Something with more depth, maybe a drama or a well-done thriller.
Ah, the serious stuff. You need a plot that makes you think.
Yep, I need something with substance. What about you?
I don't mind a mix, honestly. Sometimes I like serious, and sometimes I just want something light.
Balance is key, I suppose. Maybe I should try to enjoy this for what it is.
That's the spirit. At least the soundtrack is good, right?
Yeah, I'll give them that. The music's pretty great.
I can't believe you cheated on me. How could you do this to us?
I swear to you, I didn't cheat. I don't know where you got that idea from.
Don't lie to me. I saw the messages on your phone. You've been sneaking around.
Those messages weren't what you think. She's just a colleague, and we were discussing work.
Late at night? And with so many emojis? Come on, do you think I'm stupid?
I promise, there's nothing going on between us. We're just friends, nothing more.
It doesn't look that way to me. You've been distant, and I feel like you're hiding something.
I know I've been stressed lately, but it's all because of work, not because I'm seeing someone else.
You expect me to believe that? You haven't been honest with me for weeks?
I admit I've been distant, and that's on me, but I would never betray you like that.
Then why didn't you tell me about these late-night chats? It feels like you're keeping secrets.
I didn't think it was important because, to me, it's just work. I didn't want to worry you unnecessarily.
But it did worry me. If nothing's going on, why didn't you just be upfront from the start?
You're right. I should have been more transparent. I didn't realize how much this was affecting you.
It's hard to trust you when things don't add up. I need to know you're telling me the truth.
I'm being completely honest. I care about you more than anything, and I would never hurt you like that.
I want to believe you, but it's hard after what I saw.
Let's sit down and go through everything together. I'll show you there's nothing to hide.
All right, but this is your last chance. I need to know we're still on the same page.
I understand, and I'll do whatever it takes to rebuild your trust.
I just hope you're telling the truth. Trust isn't something that can be fixed overnight.
I know, and I'm willing to prove to you that I'm committed to us.
The baby bawled for hours last night, and I have no idea what was wrong.
That sounds exhausting. Did you try giving her a bottle?
Yeah, I did, but she wasn't hungry at all. She just kept crying no matter what I did.
Maybe she had a stomach ache. Babies get those pretty often.
That's what I thought too, so I gave her some gripe water, but it didn't seem to help.
Did you check if her diaper needed changing?
Of course, I changed it twice just to be sure, but nothing worked.
Sometimes babies just need comfort. Did you try holding her or rocking her?
I held her, rocked her, sang to her, everything. She just bawled her little heart out the whole time.
Poor thing. Do you think she might be teething? That could explain why she was so fussy.
I did wonder about that, but I didn't see any signs of a tooth coming through.
Maybe she just had an off night. Babies can be unpredictable sometimes.
You're probably right. It's just hard when I'm not sure what she needs, and nothing I do seems to calm her down.
It's tough, but you're doing a great job. Sometimes they just need to cry it out, and there's not much you can do.
I guess so. I just feel so helpless when she bawls like that, you know.
I totally get it. It's stressful, but you're doing everything you can.
Thanks. I just hope tonight goes a little smoother.
Fingers crossed. Maybe she'll sleep better tonight after all the crying yesterday.
I sure hope so. I could really use a good night's sleep too.
You definitely deserve it. Let's just hope she stays calm this time.
Please subscribe and see you in the next video.